10 lines on rainy day in English. Among all the seasons, I like the rainy season the most. Today is a rainy day. It has been raining all day long. My friends and I went to the playground and played there while it was raining. In the evening, we also saw a huge rainbow formed in the sky. The streets are full of water because of the rain. On rainy days, my friends and I prepare paper boats and make them float in the water. I love the smell of earth when it rains after a sunny day. Rain makes the weather so pleasant, refreshing and cool. I like getting wet in rains. I enjoy eating hot fries, pakoda and soup on rainy days.